Hi everybody, Lorraine again. I have an 11 by 14 inch canvas and I have some paints that I have mixed up that are left over. So I'm going to do a flip cup on this. I have some purple left. I have some, this is called a purple red, magenta, turquoise green, tiny bit of turquoise blue, an emerald green, and I have some black. So let's see what we can do with this. I think I'm going to start out using this cup that is the emptiest, and I'm just going to layer them in. There, this is the emerald. Some purple next to that, see how that comes out? Some of the purple red. Some white in between. These paints are mixed with glue all and water. They're about 70% glue all and 30% water. I put just a tiny bit of black in. Finish off the purple. Finish off the purple red. A little more emerald. A touch more white. Turquoise green. Top it off with a tiny bit of black. I think I'm going to use the rest of this black on my corners here. Okay. Just going to go for it here. Let that settle down. Okay, I'm just going to lift it straight up and see what we get. Oh, that is so pretty. Let this come out around the edge. Around in a circle and spread out. I want you all to know that I really appreciate you coming and watching my videos. It's a lot of work, but it's also a lot of fun. I really, really love painting and doing this. Oh, look what's going on right here. Right here. That is so cool. Little minute. Just gonna try and stretch this out. Cover the canvas. I'm going to keep that cool little swirly that's going on there. As much as I want to. Down to this right hand corner. Okay, so let's give this a torch. Wow, that's pretty cool. I'm going to turn this around. I'm seeing some really cool stuff going on here. From this perspective, all of these in here are just gorgeous. Okay guys, we pick this up so you can get a close-up of it. Very cool. I like the white, the way the white is outlining things, giving it a little bit of lacing. It's my favorite spot right there. That's really, really neat. Real delicate lacing in here. Thanks for visiting with me, guys. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. You can come back and see more videos. Thanks for visiting. Bye.